Assalamualaikum, dear students. I am your English teacher for class 6. Open your English grammar copy. Mention date, draw a margin line. Today our topic is translation of present continuous tense. The work which is going on in current time. जो काम हाल में हो रहा है. पहचान जुमले के आखिर में रहा हूँ, रही हूँ, रहे हैं वगैरह आता है. We used first form plus ing. Formula of affirmative is subject. After subject, we use helping verb. This is present continuous tense, so we use helping verb is, am, are. After this, we use first form plus ing and then object. For negative, subject. After subject, we use helping verb is, am, are. After this, not, then verb first form ing, at the end object. For interrogative, helping verb is, am, are, subject. After this we use first form plus ing, then object. At the last we use question mark. We use helping verb is with he, she, it and singular noun. We use helping verb am with I. We will use helping verb are with you, we, they and plural noun. मैं नज़म याद कर रही हूँ. I am learning the poem. आज बारिश हो रही है. It is raining today. हम एक नक्शा बना रहे हैं. We are drawing a map. गवाह सच नहीं बोल रहा है. Deponent is not speaking the truth. मैं सीटी नहीं बजा रही हूँ. I am not whistling. तुम नई किताबें नहीं खरीद रहे हो. You are not buying new books. क्या अली पतंग उड़ा रहा है? क्वेश्चन मार्क. Is Ali flying a kite? क्वेश्चन मार्क. क्या सितारे चमक रहे हैं? Are the stars shining? धोबी कपड़े क्यों धो रहा है? Why is washerman washing clothes? Second topic is past continuous tense. The work which was happening in past time. जो काम माजी में हो रहा था. पहचान जुमले के आखिर में रहा था, रही थी, रहे थे वगैरह आता है. We use first form plus ing. Formula of affirmative is subject. After subject we use helping verb. This is past continuous tense, so we use helping verb was verb. After this we use verb first form plus ing and then object. For negative, subject. After subject we use helping verb was verb. Not, verb first form plus ing, at the end we use object. For interrogative, helping verb was verb. After this we use subject, then verb first form ing, object. At the end we use question mark. We will use helping verb was with he, she, it, I and singular noun. We will use helping verb were with you, we, they and plural noun. वो औरत चावल पका रही थी. That woman was cooking rice. वो फूल चुन रहे थे. They were plucking flowers. लड़का उदास लग रहा था. Boy was looking sad. बच्चा गहरी नींद नहीं सो रहा था. Child was not sound sleeping. अम्मी एक अंडा नहीं तल रही थीं. Mother was not frying an egg. लड़के नहीं खेल रहे थे. Boys were not playing. क्या ठंडी हवा चल रही थी? Question mark. Was the cold breeze blowing? Question mark. लड़कियां क्या पढ़ रही थीं? What were girls reading? क्या किसान फसल काट रहा था? Was the farmer harvesting the crop? Now we will do translation of future continuous tense. द वर्क विच विल हैपनिंग इन फ्यूचर टाइम, जो काम मुस्तकबिल में हो रहा होगा। पहचान जुमले के आखिर में रहा होगा, रही होंगी, रहे होंगे वगैरह आता है। वी यूज़ फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस ing. Formula of affirmative is subject. After subject we use helping verb. This is future continuous tense, so we used helping verb will be. Then first form plus ing and object. For negative we use subject. After subject we will use helping verb will be, not, verb first form ing and object. For interrogative we used helping verb will be plus subject, then verb first form plus ing, object, at the last we use question mark. ये लड़का काम कर रहा होगा। This boy will be working. हम मार्केट जा रहे होंगे। We will be going to market. अम्मी कपड़े सी रही होंगी। Mother will be sewing clothes. हम शोर नहीं मचा रहे होंगे। We will not be making a noise. मैं सवाल हल नहीं कर रहा होऊंगा। I will not be solving sum. मैं गाड़ी नहीं चला रहा होऊंगा। I will not be driving the car. क्या वो कुछ नहीं सोच रहा होगा? Question mark. Will he be thinking nothing? Question mark. क्या फल फरोश फल बेच रहा होगा? Will the fruit seller be selling fruits? क्या डॉक्टर इस मरीज़ का इलाज कर रहा होगा? Will the doctor be treating that patient? Dear student, this is the end of today's lecture. Please complete your homework and submit it on coming Tuesday. Thank you.